Let's get this list started with a little K-Square. Kenzie Keeling celebrating the big number 11. Kenzie, a very happy birthday to you in Parsons.
And we've got the Kidwell twins celebrating today. Trenton Kidwell, 17 years old, and Trevor as well, both of them in Chanute.
Zach Chronister, he's turning 18. Little Northeast Viking pride right there. Happy birthday, Zach. Love from your mom.
All right, happy birthday, Zach. Melinda Buchanan celebrating birthday number 38 this year in Jasper. Hope it's a great one.
Lyle Gauthier, he's celebrating number 39 with man's best friend right there. Lyle, this comes with love from mom and David.
All right. And we've got Robin Harrell.
Who that is?
Looking great there, Robin. 41 years old in Pittsburgh.
Great picture, Robin. Great picture, and a very happy birthday to you, my friend. We've got a 60th birthday. Promise those little two aren't spoiled by Mr. Steve Villigan, are they? Tanya, look at that picture. Are they not spitting images of Steve?
They are.
Isn't that something else? Happy birthday to Steve.
They all have the same smile, too.
I know, it's great.
Happy birthday, Steve. Joe Cleason celebrating the big 7-0 today in Erie, Kansas. Happy birthday, Joe.
Look at this anniversary.
Wow.
I know. Isn't that something else? 72 years for Raymond and Mary Kleinsmith. My goodness. We do a lot of anniversaries. That's got to be up there as far as like one of my most memorable ones that we've done right there. That's tremendous. Congratulations, Raymond and Mary. They're celebrating in Chanute.
All right. Steve and Lori Freeman are celebrating 26 years of wedded bliss in Columbus. Congratulations to the Freemans. Penny Cherry and Frontenac, happy birthday to you.
Trayvon Smith, a happy birthday. He's celebrating in Pittsburgh. And Marianne York. This is an interesting one right here, folks. You know I like to pick on people that don't send in pictures and everything, and I would never blame Marianne at all. Because when your son runs the morning graphic department, that's right. I'm looking at, if you guys could see, if you folks at home could see me right now, I'm staring in the control room at our own Will York and wondering why he couldn't get a picture of his mom. Will, I will drive to Galena and get a picture of your mom for you next year, okay? All right, man. Miss York, you raised a wonderful son, and I apologize for him and the lack of the picture. I'll take care of it next year. But Marianne, from all of us here at KOM, a very happy birthday to you, ma'am. Now,
hey, at least you remembered to get it on. We'll give
right,
him that. We'll
right.
give
Well,
him that.
I don't know if he remembered or whether probably a family member called him to say, hey, make that happen.
We love you.
No. A very happy birthday to you, Marianne. You've raised such a wonderful son, and we are so blessed to have him here because that is the woman who raised the person who puts all these birthdays and anniversaries together for us. So we, as a matter of fact, for all of you that enjoy this part of the morning show, we all owe her a debt of gratitude. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.